Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Go ahead and wash and dry your potatoes. Then I'll put some oil on a paper towel and cover the skin before we bake them. Now that these are all oiled up, I'm going to pop them in my 400 degree oven until they're fork tender. The small potatoes only took about 45 minutes to bake, and you can tell when they're done by giving them a little squeeze, if they're soft. The big potatoes could easily take an hour or a little bit more. Now let these cool completely. When they're cool enough to handle, just go ahead and cut them in half and scoop out that flesh. Go close to the edge, but leave a little bit. This way you won't break through the skin. You'll have a little bit in there. Just keep going till you get to the amount you want. Just like that. That looks good. Put that back on your tray. We're going to restuff this with the filling. Mash up the pulp from inside of those potatoes, and you can add a little bit of milk to make them a little bit softer. To this, we're going to add our sour cream, our chives. Now, if you're making this in advance and you're going to freeze it, leave these out and just sprinkle them on later. And our bacon. I'm going to save a little bit to put on top. I'm going to mix all this up. Mix in the room temperature butter. Mix in some salt and pepper. And then mix in a whole bunch of cheddar cheese. Mix that up really well. Scoop a little bit out and refill your potatoes. Don't those look delicious? Okay, now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of bacon right on top. You can sprinkle more cheese on top if you want. I'm just going to throw on the rest of this green onion and use it up. Okay, into the oven they go. After 15 or 20 minutes, make sure these are nice and hot and take them right out of your oven. Whoa, look at those. Let's try one. Now, this is small enough to be a finger food if it's cool enough. Enjoy.